Our Wi-Fi broadband pole installation team currently have contracts in leisure parks throughout the UK. The pole location is marked out by the Wi-Fi technicians, and the installation team then check for underground services using a cable location tool. Work commences to dig the post hole. The first meter is always dug by hand to avoid any cable or service strikes, and the auger is only deployed once this depth has been achieved. At the same time, a trench is dug for the cable to be laid to connect the mains power line. Using great care, the turf is removed in such a way so that it can be relayed in its original place, causing the least visual impact to the site. The hole is checked for depth. In this case, 1.3 metres is specified. Wi-Fi antenna brackets are attached to the pole whilst on the floor, before being hoisted up for installation. The pole is then aligned according to the site plan supplied by the Wi-Fi technicians to ensure that the antennas are in the correct attitude for signal strength. And then the pole is checked for verticality before being set in position. Finally, the cable is laid in the trench before being backfilled and the turf returned to its original position. Our team of experienced installers are holders of the Construction Plant Competence Scheme, or CPCS. The scheme is based on a combination of professional competence and health and safety awareness, two essential qualities for operating plant. CPCS is owned by the Construction Industry Training Board, otherwise known as CITB, of which HSL Construction are registered members. For more information on Wi-Fi and CCTV pole installations, please use the Contact Us tab on the webpage.